friends, welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to make mouse cursor stylish or colorful. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download some file. I have given in the description below that link. So I have been already downloaded it. So let's get started. Just go to your download file. Users, PC, download. Then I have downloaded animal through zip. You need to extract it. Extract the files. Then it is extracting animal tree. Then click on OK. Then it has extracted. Then here you can look the different type of cursor. So cut it. Then click on start. Then just type mouse. Then click on mouse. Then click on pointer. Then click on browser. Then go to where your file is. Animal tree. Just open it. Choose which cursor you want to keep. Just caterpillar, butterfly, bat, applicus, or koala bear. I want a koala. So click on it and open. Then click on save as. Then OK. The cursor scheme name you already in use. Do you want to replace to original scheme? Then click on S. Then click on OK. Then look at here. What's happening? Oh, look at here. You can see koala bear who have been wearing glass. You can look at it. Then at last, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share these videos to your friends and in your social media. At last, I always tell that if you have any question, you can comment down below. If you want anything about programming and hacking, you can contact with me through the comment. So thank you and have a nice day.